This is a video on the assembly of the Wine Enthusiast Infinity 5-column racks. It's the same for any of the Infinity series. The instructions are totally and absolutely useless. There is a guy who made one video, but the racks look slightly different, and I didn't think it was detailed enough, so here goes. Here's one fully assembled so you can see these rounded edges head toward the front, F piece on the top, F piece on the bottom, and then the neat trick of getting these D's on, which I'll show you when we get to. They have this metal bracket which will go on first, and then you will screw D in from the back in. Here is the box when you open it. Just take out all the pieces and lay them all out together. So I'm separating the piles between B and C. See, they're labeled. Oh, sorry, C and A. The rest are B. So these are your two ends. So you see how that's on the inside. And that guy's on the inside. So what you're gonna do is take E. Can't do this with one hand. All right, and then E is gonna screw right into there. And you'll do that on the other side, and I'll show you. Okay, so you can see the rounded edges are toward the front there, on the inside, and then E just bridges straight across. Then you're gonna do a few more of these. They go right into the pre-drilled holes. You'll see them there. You're using screw H. There's two screw bag H's. For the piece E, you'll use the larger bag, and then fill the rest of these in all the way down. So all your E pieces are on the back. And now you'll take your B pieces, and same, you want to keep this rounded piece toward the front, and these guys toward the back. So these will slip right in to the four holes, so you can see there. Sorry for all the movement. You can see it slip it down at the bottom there, right into the hole. Super fun with one hand. Just gonna straighten all the way up, and you'll screw in through the back in these holes. So secure these four ones using those same H screws. Now, F piece will go on the top front. See how it is on here? You'll just slip it right on the top there and drill right through those top holes, secure it in there. Do it on the top, do it on the bottom. So pan screw in I to the front, and then you'll screw in D through the back. All right, so for the last part, I've only got one hand. If you've got a friend to help you with this part, it's easier. But you'll need an extension on your drill, otherwise, I don't know what you're gonna do. So you'll take those same tiny pan screws, I, and there's a little lip on D here. You can see it there. So essentially, that lip will sit, I think that guy's out of paint. The lip will sit right on top of that metal piece there. You see that? And then what you'll do is you'll screw it in from back through there. It's hard to see there, but you'll get 3 screws in across from there. And that's it for the 5-column. The other ones they make are pretty, in the same fashion in that Infinity line. Good luck.